Okay guys, so it's currently 6 p.m. so Antonio's been home for a while. He just stepped out for a minute, but that's where he was laying. As you can see, the pillow and the blanket is messed up, but I mean, hello, we have to live, right? So for the past couple hours after I pretty much cleaned everything, I've been focusing on these, they're like storage boxes. I have this slouchy one here, I have these two here, I have another one over there, another one over here. So these are really great for organizing things for, you know, a small space. And there is just wedding stuff. So these boxes and things, these will be gone soon. As far as the table, I mean, at this point, I would normally like wipe it down so it's nice and shiny and clean. And it's real marble, so I have to use just a little bit of dish soap and water. So yeah, I've just been working on these storage bins and I've just been sorting all of this stuff. So this is stuff that I'm either keeping or stuff that has to be put in a certain place. This one has stuff that I have to shoot. This is new clothes that I have to decide what I'm keeping. This is all items that are on Poshmark currently. Okay guys, so now it is 8:42. I'm exhausted, I am in pain. So to treat myself, I'm taking a nice relaxing hot bath. And I have a face mask on. I'm using this aromatherapy bath salts. And this is the mask I'm wearing, the Glam Glow Super Mud. Love this stuff for breakouts, so I'm wearing that right now. And got some candles on, got some bubbles in my bath. Feeling ready to relax. I am going to grab me some water. I know it's dark, but this is the ambiance, good lighting, a relaxing bath. And normally I would cook dinner, or I would have already cooked dinner. But since I spent my entire day cleaning, literally, I didn't do anything else. I didn't do any work. I didn't do any editing. So this is more, because at first it was just going to be a morning routine. And then I started cleaning. And then I was like, well, you know what? I've needed to really do like a cleaning. Not where I'm like cleaning, like scrubbing everything and like sparkling everything, but like a nice clean, putting everything where it belongs and really just cleaning the mess. I did do, like you guys saw, some cleaning, but you know, I didn't do like a deep scrubbing of like every single thing. And also Antonio also does that. Like he'll do the deep scrubbing, he'll do the vacuuming every day, the sweeping, mopping, stuff like that. So yeah, it started out as a morning routine, and then I was like, you know what, let me just clean all day. So yeah, I will be doing another day in the life routine thing. So it'll be from morning till night, where I show you guys my day if I'm editing all day or if I am shooting or filming, because I have kind of like a set of days, you know, like a set amount of different kind of days I have. So I have my days where I'm just cleaning like I did today. Then I have my days where I'm filming all day and the house is a mess but I'm working. Then I have the days where I am working on, you know, my blog or content or editing or emails and stuff like that. But then I'm like shooting, like photo shooting, like photography. So then those are like mixed days. And then I have days where you know, we're busy and we have like something to do out of the house, you know what I mean? We all have different days, so this is just more of a clean with me all day. But definitely let me know if you guys want more of these day in the life videos, or just a morning routine or a night routine, things like that. So thumbs up this video, leave me a comment, let me know what you guys want to see. But what I was gonna say is, like, normally I would cook dinner, especially because we've been eating a lot healthier. We've actually both been losing weight and going to the gym and just changing our lifestyle for the wedding to feel better, and also just in general because we want to be healthy. But tonight I ordered some pasta and salad for dinner just because it's already late, we're tired, my legs literally hurt. So I was like, let me just order some pasta, but I'll eat mostly salad anyway, so I won't feel too bad. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna jump in this bath. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Stay glam, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.